Take it or leave it, up to you. I know what it is. You're arrogant about it. You're unmindful of it. You pay the price. It's not for me, not for anyone to be judgmental over you, your efforts. You want help, that's the help we're giving you. But you'll have to help yourself. Some of us are, we are not talking through bookish knowledge, we are talking through experience. It's not, you may be say, I may be, prejudiced towards it. I'm not prejudiced. Here's someone who's practicing it. Some of us who have taken on to that knowledge. Experience. You may be finding a little pain or it is no doubt a bitter beginning. Anything that is transformational is very bitter to begin with. Believe me, you will be so convinced in the exercise. You must get on with it. Just get on. Enough is enough, man. Enough. It's enough. You have enough. Undermined it, overlooked it. Get on with it. I had a meeting other day. Somebody, one of the students wanted to meet me. Not able to still not come for the event. He wanted to meet just a few minutes back. And my point to him was, and he was, Guruji, I'm just getting this done, and once it is done, I'm going to start getting up. I told him, how many years have you been saying that? He started looking at it. He dared not look at me, across the table. Very sweet chap. And then I started looking at him. Who look at me? How long have you been saying that? I don't want to name him. I understand. Thereafter he didn't raise his head. I understand. I am at guilt. I said, I don't mind you putting our relationship at stake. But I want you to get up. I don't see you, you don't see me the rest of my life, rest of your life. And I know that was attached to me. More than his wife and children are attached to me. And that means a lot to him to say, put our relationship at stake. How can I do that? Just want to give him a jolt. He's thinking, by associating with you, I'm growing spiritually, I have done everything that I need. That is not what you need to do, my dear. What you need to do is to raise yourself by yourself. Uddharet atmanatmana. Doesn't matter. We'll do that. Nobody drills it down as much as we do, and yet there is no effect. I admire your conviction. You're convinced not to practice it. How many of you can throw up arms and say, yes sir, I'm doing it? Like he does it. Fearless. I am not trying to blame him or blame you. I'm saying that is what we have been harping on. Have we not been harping on from day one you have come into our lives? Isn't it, Leela? How long have you known me? 10 years. How long have you known Srinivas me?
22 years.
22 years is not me. I have been saying the same thing, still he is coming and listening. He's come all the way from India to listen, I don't know what it is. Same thing I'm saying. So you have to get on with it.
That's something I would add with him, sir.
With him who? Maniam.
It is not early morning studies. I also do.
You're a coach.
That is not the thing. We are losing somewhere else. That is the question here. Why do you stagnate?
Stagnant in the sense that I was saying, you put yourself, your mind, that I am get stagnant here. But you would want to go above that stagnant. Why am I stagnant? What is the behind ventures?
That's the answer we gave there. People are stagnant with their ideals. You stagnate with reading a book. I stagnate by listening songs. That's what we are saying. Beyond that, what is that?
Stagnant, you are saying that as a question, stagnant in spirituality. You highlighted in spirituality, not in stagnant or intellectual.
Actually, there is a mistake in writing this. We all contributed 10 points each. It's close to 50 points. He has to chalk out something. That is the big issue there.
Srinivas, first and foremost, you must understand when you are putting in with reference to the rest of the time you spend in the small group, what you all have to ensure. The onus is on the participants to ensure what the representative has captured. So last 10 minutes is dedicated to actually summarizing the group's answer and ensuring that the presenter has captured what you intended. Because we are only seeing what is presented. We do not know what you have communicated. And we are jotting it down, we are responding based on what is said. It could be that the presenter has not done a fair job to what was said. Okay? So please be mindful that it is captured. And I think we already clarified, we mentioned it one. I'm not saying what your point is right or wrong. To his contribution, we only said spiritual growth is measured with that. It's an independent point we are making. That it is not any less. Or it doesn't take away anything from what you all have said. It's always saying.
Now we also discussed beside this what is ladder of fall and rise. We also discussed, but we cannot present such a big volume, sir.
That is no. As I said, I don't want to go through the exercise of negating all what you have said. There are so many irrelevant points in the answer.
Yes.
Can I not start with that? And you are saying we have discussed 50 points. I only wrote 20 points. So I don't know how many more irrelevant will be within the context. So I've already heard you all at the very beginning. And you don't need to declare the entire Vedanta to a question. You understand? The objective is to answer the question. Don't declare the whole scriptural truth in one question. That's not the objective. So you have to get your focus right. The group has to get so that it is captured. I'm not saying answer is wrong. I said there are many good takeaways from it. Also there are points which may not be relevant. So if you were to come and say, sir, we discussed ladder of fall and ladder of rise also, then I don't know what to say. So, but we all have to rise, that's the objective. So, I think we will do that.
Further clarifications and additions will be taken up in the next big group discussion.
How many questions are pending?
2 more.
2.
Our next event is Bhajans. I have 10-15 minutes time.
Sorry? We can assemble in the next 10 minutes. Well,
We'll rearrange this. Silas?
yeah.
We'll rearrange this, sir.
Yes.
Just move tables to the walls.
Okay.
Outside and this
Done, done.
I think because we will need for yoga. Srinivas?
Thank you.
Srinivas?